Hi everyone! In this short FreeCad tutorial, I'll show you how to use the chamfer tool to bevel edges on your 3D models. It's great for removing sharp edges and making your parts look more finished. Let's start. I'll start by creating a basic shape. I'll use the additive box, clicking OK. To add a chamfer, just click on the edge you want to bevel, or hold down Ctrl to choose more edges. Then click the chamfer button. A small dialog will pop up where you can choose the chamfer size and the chamfer type. Click OK, and that's how you chamfer edges in FreeCAD. If this helped you, give it a like and subscribe for more FreeCAD tips. See you next time.